I know that you all want to start a YouTube channel, but something is always stopping you, right? Hopefully, this video will help you to overcome those issues and finally start your YouTube journey. By the end of this video, you will have a clear idea about what you should do in the next 3 months to achieve that goal. I know that my face and voice is not familiar to you guys. I'm Cass, I'm the person who is behind this channel. So when I started this channel at first, I set a simple goal to myself, which is once I reach my first 30,000 subscribers, I should do a video like this instead of using my AI generated voice and AI avatar. So thanks to you guys, within just 8 months, I was able to reach that goal. So this video is going to be really valuable for you. It's because I'm going to share my all the knowledge and all the secrets and all the methods that I used to grow this channel to this place. And as you guys saw on the thumbnail, I'm going to share my earnings for the first 3 months with you guys. The only purpose of sharing those information is to encourage and motivate you guys to start your own YouTube channel. I'm going to share my exact same strategy that I used to grow this channel to this place with you guys. This method is very simple, effective, and you have to be really patient with this, right? So if you are someone who's looking for an overnight success or a get rich quick method, just don't watch this video. This is not for you. In this strategy, we have 3 steps. The first one is finding your niche and audience. So there are 2 types of approaches for this. The first one is experimenting approach. The second one is planning approach. So let's discuss about these 2. The experimenting approach is where you create a normal YouTube channel and start to experimenting on different types of niches. Let's say as an example, you create a normal YouTube channel and you upload videos related to cooking niche, but you are not getting enough views. Then you upload videos related to motivation niche. Again, you are not getting enough views. Finally, you have decided to upload videos related to how to make money with YouTube. At that point, your channel grows up with a lot of views, right? And then you keep uploading those videos about how to make money, right? The best example channel for this approach is Ali Abdaal. He is one of the best and most successful YouTubers on this platform with almost 5 million subscribers. So if you go to his channel and check the oldest videos, you can clearly see that he has started his channel as a singer. But when he is not getting enough views, he has changed his niche into productivity and education. But I don't recommend you guys to use this experimenting approach. It may work for someone, but I think it's a waste of time and energy, right? So instead of using this experimenting approach, let's use planning approach. The planning approach is where you do some research and find your target audience. Then you create a content plan for that specific audience. If you do this method to your YouTube channel, I can guarantee that you will be able to get your first 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours with only 20 videos. There are a lot of niches and sub niches on YouTube. So when you are selecting your niche, it should be something that you are really good at and profitable. That's where the CPM comes in. Every niche has a different CPM. It's based on the niche and the geographical factors. So CPM is the amount that the advertisers are willing to pay for YouTube for 1000 views. Now, don't get confused with CPM and RPM values. RPM is the value that you are getting paid by YouTube. It's normally around 45% of CPM. Let's say your channel CPM is $12, then your RPM would be around $5, which means you are getting paid $5 for every 1000 views. In simple terms, when advertisers pay YouTube some amount, YouTube will give you 45% of that ad revenue and they will keep the rest 55%. That's how this ad revenue process works, and that's why you need to select a niche with high CPM value. I have made a list about niches and its CPM values. If you want this list, pause this video and take a screenshot. Now that you have selected your niche, it's time to create the content plan for the next 3 months. First, you should find out how many videos that you can produce in a week. Let's say you can create 3 videos per week, which means 12 videos for a month, and that's 36 videos for 3 months. Remember, this part is very important. When you create a list like this, you have a clear goal. If not, you will waste your time by procrastinating and thinking about what video I should do next. But when you have a clear plan like this, everything gets easier. All you need to do is implement this plan and start working on it. So let me show you how to find video ideas for your content creation plan. Let's say your niche is Instagram growth. First, you must go to Google Incognito mode and log into your YouTube with a new email address. Now, YouTube doesn't have enough data about your preferences, so it will just show you some random videos on your homepage. Now, you need to search for your niche. In this case, it's going to be Instagram growth. Then you need to find some videos related to your niche and watch at least 5 of them. Make sure to watch a video for at least 3 minutes. Now, when you come back to your homepage, YouTube will suggest videos related to that niche that you just searched. These videos are the trending topics in your niche. Now, you can watch these trending videos and add this topic to your list, but Don't ever copy this content from other creators. Instead, make a better version of these videos. If you see this video, this creator only has around 46,000 subscribers, but this video has more than 100k views. It's because this video topic is a trending topic. And take a look at this video. This video has 1 million views, but this creator only has 16,000 subscribers. This video is trending like a fire. That's why it has more than 1 million views even though this creator has 16,000 subscribers. So, if a video has a lot of views even though the creator has small amount of subscribers, that video is probably trending. So make sure to add as many as videos like that into your plan. And just like this, find topics and create your content plan. Now, you have found your niche, audience, and you have also created the content plan for the next 3 months. The next step is CCC method, which means consistent content creation. Your first video is not going to be viral. In fact, it may not even get 100 views. That's a reality, right? So when that happens, a lot of creators just give up. It's a really normal thing to do because you work hard on your video, you spend a lot of time editing that video. At the end of the day, when you upload your video, you are not getting the amount of views that you expected. That makes you demotivated. So you decide to give up. That's a really normal thing to do. I also did the same mistake. This is the first video that I uploaded to this channel. It's just a 2-minute video. After I uploaded this video, I expected to get a lot of views, but I didn't get much views. When that happened, I just gave everything up. As you can see here, after I uploaded this video, I only got 14 views that day. Because of that, I did not upload any videos for 20 days. After that, I uploaded 4 videos. Still, I didn't get much views for those 4 videos. But after my 5th upload, I got some more views compared to the videos. At that point, I was getting around 500 views per day. That was a big motivation for me. So then I decided to upload at least 3 videos per week. As you can see here, little by little, my channel started to grow. The only thing that I did was consistent content creation. If you want to overcome this problem, just don't even think about getting views. Focus only on creating content and upload it according to your plan. You will probably see some results around your 10th video, and at some point one of your videos will go viral and get more views compared to other videos. When that happens, make sure to create more videos similar to that viral topic. Your viewers would love that and it will boost your channel. The final step of our process is creating quality content. If you go to my channel and check my first 4 videos, you will understand what I'm trying to say here. The script of the video is bad, editing of the video is very typical, and just look at these thumbnails, it just sucks, right? That is one of the reasons why these videos didn't get much views. But when I compare these 4 videos with my 5th video, I can clearly see that the quality of the video has improved. So your script should not be boring, your editing style must be interesting, and most importantly, your thumbnail and video title must be really good. Because the thumbnail is the first thing that your viewers will see. If the thumbnail is suck, they will not click your video. And I know not everyone is a good video editor. If that's the case, you can outsource the video editing and thumbnail creation process. Apart from these things, your video should provide some value to the audience. So make sure to create content that actually provides some value and not some bullshit. If you apply this 3-step method to your YouTube channel, I'm sure that you will have a successful YouTube channel in the next 3 months. Now let me show you my channel's analytics and how much I earned in the first 3 months with this channel. I was able to monetize this channel on last November, so I received my first payment on December month. As you can see here, I was able to make $326 in that month. In January, I was able to make $660. On February, my income was $950. So my only advice to you guys is, if I can do this, you can do this for sure. You just need to follow this 3-step method. So I have covered a lot of information and details about how you can start a YouTube channel today. So it's up to you guys to start this process today or postpone it. But I know for a fact at least 10 people will start this process and become successful YouTubers within the next 3 months. And thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.